Alright guys, so what I've got here is a tool called the Javelin from Racketeers. Uh, it allows you to take any length all thread, 3/8 all thread, or threaded rod, and make a hole saw extension out of it. So it comes with a nut, an adapter, another nut, and a custom threaded hole saw arbor. So overall, this is going to be a 24-inch hole saw extension. So I'll show you how it works here in just a minute. Before I do, be sure to hit that subscribe button down there. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps our channel greatly. So I appreciate that, and check this thing out in action. Alright, so now as you can see, I've already drilled a hole in this side of the wall using a short hole saw, but that little bitty hole back there is where I took the hole saw off and I only used the pilot bit to make that hole. That is the back of a wireway that's approximately 10 inches away. So I'm going to take this Javelin hole saw extension with a Lennox hole saw using a Milwaukee Gen 4 hammer drill, and I'm going to drill that into the back of that wireway over there. So there's the hole. And now to get you a better angle. I don't know if you can see it back in there or not. Now I'm gonna have to get off the video because I can't safely hang on to anything up here. But I'm gonna continue drilling with the Javelin hole saw extension from Racketeers. I'll show you what it looks like when we get done. Alright, so I just got it to punch through. I'm gonna pull it back out. And there you go. That hole was drilled. That hole was drilled with the Javelin. And there is the other side of what we've been working on. And hopefully y'all find this tool as useful as I do. And be sure to like and subscribe for all our future content. And links for all the tools used will be in the description below. And y'all have a great day.